Today, let's dive into something fascinating: why older generations still visit the markets, while younger people seem to avoid them. It's not just about buying fresh produce, right?
Right. There's something deeper happening in those markets. It's more about the energy. When you go to a large supermarket, there's not that same vibe. The big box stores, while convenient, just don't have that human touch.
Exactly. And it's the energy of the people, especially the mothers, that's missing in those larger stores. In the markets, there's always this sense of community. People aren't just buying, they're exchanging words, they're sharing energy.
Absolutely. It's almost like a form of therapy, isn't it? I've heard people say that they didn't even need the vegetables. They just needed that moment of connection. It's the little chats, the small exchanges that recharge them.
It's fascinating how markets work as an emotional recharge station. People go there to talk, to unwind. It's not just about the goods, it's about the human interactions. Do you think it's because they feel like they're part of something bigger?
Yes, it's this collective energy. You go there, and suddenly, you feel less alone. It's like a support system built into the fabric of the community. Markets used to be places where businesses grew because people genuinely cared about each other. You can't fake that kind of bond.
Right. When businesses were just starting, there was this sincerity. The vendors weren't just trying to make money. They were kind, offering a little extra when customers were in need. And that created loyalty, right?
Yes, it was genuine. And that's how people prospered. They didn't focus solely on the money. Now, when businesses grow and things become more commercialized, there's less human connection. You hear less about giving a little extra and more about making the transaction quick.
Exactly. And when customers feel like the energy is missing, they leave. No matter how big the store is, no matter how convenient the shopping experience, people can tell when they're just another number.
It's like when the stores became bigger, the soul of the market disappeared. And let's not forget, it was the older generations who knew the importance of human connections in business. But now, it seems the younger ones are more focused on just the sale.
Yes, and that shift has led to a loss in the true essence of what markets were meant to be. It's not just about selling goods, it's about the energy, the atmosphere, and the relationships.
I wonder if that's why people are moving away from these big box stores. They miss the feeling of being understood, being part of something real. The market is like a place of healing, almost like an emotional cleanse.
Definitely. And it's interesting, when people focus solely on making money, they lose that connection. The true power of the market lies in its ability to make people feel seen and valued. It's about people's energy, not just the goods.
Right. And here's the thing. The older generation understood that. The younger generation needs to wake up to that truth. It's not just about building big companies and creating the best products. It's about how you treat people.
It's about thinking beyond profits, asking ourselves, what did I do for my customers today? How did I add value to their lives? When we start thinking like that, we open the door to something bigger than just business.
That's the awakening we need. If markets are to thrive again, it won't be because of a roof over people's heads when it rains, but because of how people treat each other. If we can bring back that energy, the market will come alive once more.
It's a cycle, isn't it? If we want to rebuild our communities, it starts with our individual actions. It starts with asking, what can I give, not just take? It's about rekindling that sense of connection.
Exactly. And the energy of the market will return when people start to see it as more than a place to buy things. It's a place to connect, to heal, and to share. When we get that right, everything else will follow.
Well said. I think it's time we all take a step back and reflect. What role are we playing in the market, in our communities, and in each other's lives? Are we giving back or just taking?
That's the question, isn't it? To thrive, we must understand the deeper connection. And maybe, just maybe, that's how we'll bring the market back to life.
Absolutely. Let's hope that shift happens soon. The future of our communities depends on it.
Here's to finding that energy again.